Welcome to today's tutorial on mastering the input function in Python. If you're looking to interact with your Python programs in a more dynamic way, you've come to the right place. Today we'll delve deep into the input function, exploring its syntax, best practices, and providing you with a hands-on example to solidify your understanding. Let's start with the basics. The input function in Python allows us to accept user input during program execution. It prompts the user with a message, waits for input, and then returns the entered value as a string by default. Here's the basic syntax. In this example, enter your input is the prompt message displayed to the user. Whatever the user types in response will be stored in the variable user_input. Now let's dive into a practical example. In this example, we prompt the user to enter their name and age. The input function captures these values as strings, which we then use to print a personalized greeting. Let's run this program and see it in action. I'll run it and enter my name. And age. As you can see, the program outputs a personalized greeting based on the input provided by the user. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to effectively utilize the input function in Python. Whether you're building simple command line tools or interactive applications, understanding how to handle user input is a crucial skill. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy coding.